This is a live recap from our live stream last weekend making these cute snow-covered ornaments. I started out by taking my soapstone pencil and lining out a little circle and then the top of the ornament onto each stone. Next, I took some Liquitex gesso to base coat my design on the rocks so that I have nice solid coverage when I come back through with my paint. I thought pastel colors would be fun for this one, so we're going to use an aqua blue, a light blue, a lavender, and a light pink. So I'm just going to come through and fill in all of the ornaments with the various colors. I had this silver Posca paint pen in my collection and I grabbed it thinking it would be perfect for the ornament toppers and kind of that loop that you hang the ornaments off, but it ended up being way too light. I think this one's old, it's been sitting too long, and the paint got kind of runny and thinned out, so it didn't work so well. We'll fix that later. Next, we're going to add the snow cap to the ornaments, and I did this 3 different ways to see which was easiest. The first time, I used my disposable eyeliner brush to kind of line out that dripping snow over the top, and then you can just fill it in with that same brush or a larger brush for the larger areas, or a combination of the two. Another option is to use the soapstone pencil or another chalk pencil or pencil to line out the snow before painting it with the same combination of brushes. And the third option is to line it out using a paint pen. So I used a Posca PC1MR. I think this was my favorite option. I had the most control and a nice outline to go back and fill in. Now, snow must sparkle, so we're going to add some extreme hologram glitter paint on here. I'm using a dotting tool because I like to use these so that you get the glitter paint on nice and thick. So lots of sparkle. You can use both ends. One's fatter, one's thinner. You can use the thinner end to get into those little crevices and corners. You can also use a disposable eyeliner brush to make sure you're getting the lines in there. Now, post live stream, I'm going to come back in and fix the ornament tops with some gray paint that's a little darker. It shows up better on these rocks, so I'm just filling in the tops of the ornaments and then using a thin paint brush, a detail brush, to do the loop on the top of the ornaments. And after this has all dried, I'm going to come back in with a detail fine line pen and just add some little lines into the ornament that gives it that texture that you see. And this is what they look like after resin. Super shiny, super sparkly, and a little cat hair got resined into this one, so someone's going to get a little extra love when they find it. And I just have to share this with you. Carrie was painting live with me during the live stream, and she added a sketchy outline and words to the ornaments, and they came out so cute. I love how this looks. I love that sketchy outline. She nailed it. Thanks so much for stopping by to watch the live stream recap. Keep your eyes peeled for future live streams, and in the meantime, check out another rock painting video. Take care, and I'll see you next time.